If you are trying to grow an online business, one of the biggest goals is simple: make sales without doing everything manually. Answering messages, following up with leads, sending emails, and tracking customers can quickly take up your entire day. That's why online sales automation has become so important. When you set up the right system, your business can capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into customers automatically using tools and funnels. In this video, I will show you how to automate online sales using powerful tools and funnel systems that work together. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you build smarter systems that grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to access some of the tools that mentioned in this video. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with the foundation of sales automation, that is the funnel builder. A funnel is simply the step-by-step path a customer follows before making a purchase. Instead of sending people to a normal website, you guide them through a structured journey that is designed to convert. One of the most popular funnel builders is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels help you create landing pages, sales pages, checkout pages, and full marketing funnels without coding. You can build opt-in pages to collect emails, then you guide users through email sequences and sales pages automatically. It is designed to turn visitors into paying customers in a structured way. Next is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is more than just a funnel builder. It combines CRM, email marketing, SMS automation, pipeline management, and booking systems in one platform. This means once a lead enters your funnel, you can automatically follow up with emails, texts, and reminders without manual work. It is especially powerful for agencies and service-based businesses. By the way, if you want to try GoHighLevel, you can check the link from description because you can get the 30 days free trial link instead of 14 days by using the link, and with that you will get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel. Okay, now let's get back to the video and talk about System.io next. System.io is an all-in-one funnel and marketing platform that is very beginner friendly. It allows you to create funnels, run email campaigns, host simple courses, and manage basic automation. For beginners or small businesses, it is one of the easiest ways to start building automated sales systems without spending too much money. Next is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign focuses heavily on email automation and customer journeys. Once someone enters your funnel, ActiveCampaign can automatically send personalized email sequences based on their behavior. For example, if someone clicks a link, sign up, or does not complete a purchase, the system reacts automatically. This helps you nurture leads in a smart and personalized way. Another important tool is Zapier. Zapier is the automation bridge between different apps. It connects your funnel builder, CRM, email tool, spreadsheets, and other platforms together. For example, when someone fills out a form, Zapier can automatically send their data to your CRM. Zapier can add them to an email list and notify your team instantly. This removes a lot of manual data entry work. Now let's connect everything into one simple system. First, you will create a funnel by using ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel, or System.io. This funnel captures leads through the landing pages or opt-in forms. Then the lead data automatically goes into your email system using ActiveCampaign or built-in tools inside your funnel platform. After that, automation tools like Zapier that will help you to connect everything together so data flows smoothly between apps without manual work. Finally, your CRM and automation system manage follow-ups, reminders, email sequences, and even sales tracking. When all of these tools work together, your online business starts running like a system instead of manually daily work. The most important thing to remember is this: automation does not replace marketing. It only makes your marketing more efficient. You still need a strong offer, clear messaging, and valuable content to attract customers. But once that system is in place, automation handles the repetitive work so you can focus on growth. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you now understand how to automate online sales using funnels and powerful tools. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, check the description link for useful tools and resources, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.